Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show to you the way I edit my photo in the 2023. So mostly I edit my photo with the Picsart application. So this is the looks of the Picsart application. If you cannot find this, you can download from App Store, and if you already have it, you just need to click it to open it. And here is the look of the Picsart application. So to create a new edit, you just need to go click this plus button. And this plus button, you just need to go click this plus button again with the see all informations here to access your photo library. And after that, you just need to choose the picture that you want to edit. For example, I will let you edit this picture. And whenever you're done here, you already have an access about the Picsart tools that we can use for editing our picture. If we want to do retouch for our looks, you just need to go jump into the retouch part, and you can also do an auto to get generated by the application itself about some things that we need to touch up or from my picture. And after you're done, you just need to go click apply it. And now you just need to go back, and if you want to get an engaging tones or engaging looks for your picture, you just need to jump into the effects here, and you can find any effects that provide by the Picsart application. You can start with the with the simple one. So there will be a lot of effects that we can apply into our picture. We just need to try every effects that makes our picture looks better. So this one is quite better, right? And whenever you're done applying the filters, you just need to go click apply here. And if you have needs to crop the picture, you just need to go into the tools button, and after that you just need to go click crop. And you can also choose the ratio here. If you want to use this for your Instagram feed, you just need to go click this part and adjusting the positions where actually you want to have your pictures popped out. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click apply. And whenever everything's done, you just need to go click this to save this picture into your phone. So that's the way I edit my picture in 2023. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.